Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you the best types of affiliate programs to promote in 2020. So I'm going to go through the types of affiliate programs that you should be looking for in your niche so that you can make the best amount of money out of the affiliate programs, okay? So you don't want to miss this one. Let's get started right now. Alright guys, now I'm back at my slideshow. I'm going to show you the best types of affiliate programs to promote in 2020. Now, because everybody could be in a different niche, it's very hard for me to pinpoint the actual affiliate programs to go to for each niche that's out there, because there are literally thousands of niches to go into. So I cannot just pinpoint certain affiliate programs, okay guys? Alright, so but I can tell you how to look for, how to research it, and what to look for in affiliate programs that gives you the max amount of money and best bang for your work effort. Meaning, I'm going to give you tips on how to find affiliate programs that makes you work smarter, not harder, guys. Okay. All right, so let's get started in here. So I call these the must-haves, okay? So the affiliate program that you're looking for could have one or multiple of these must-haves. Of course, if you could find an affiliate program that has multiple of these must-haves, then it'll be the best affiliate programs for you to promote in 2020, okay, guys? So the first must-have is that it must be a quality product, guys, okay? So when you are looking at affiliate products, you need to find out what the product is all about, if it's a quality product or not. You know, there's a lot of people promoting digital products, and some of those digital products can be very, very bad products. And so you need to dive into those products to make sure they're really good quality products to recommend, and you're not just, you know, going for the money, because being an affiliate marketer, your reputation is on the line. So if you recommend a bad product, people aren't going to come back to you, okay? So you want to promote quality products, and hopefully you use it, okay? Hopefully these are products that you already use, okay? So in my online business, I use a lot of different things, and so I promote those things that surrounds my online business. So that just makes sense, because I also help other people build online businesses, so it just makes sense for me to also promote what I use for them. So if people want to follow my path, they would just use everything that I would use if they didn't want to go research more things, because, you know, if they follow my path, they would know that, you know, first it has worked for me, so that means that they know it's something that works, right? And if I could tell them the benefits of why it works for me, then that's another proven points about the benefits and features of that product. And if you use it, you could show your audience how to use the product better, okay? So it's very beneficial that you use the product that you promote. So if an affiliate program has incentives or rewards for you, that's even better, guys, okay? So what that means is that there are affiliate programs out there that will give you like a trip or get a free car if you reach a certain level in your affiliate marketing with them, or if with your sales with them, basically, as an affiliate marketer. So there are contests also to join for affiliate programs that, you know, whoever sells the most can get whatever cash rewards. So there are many different programs that have stuff like this, and you just gotta look for the right ones that have such a thing, okay? And so another must-have that is very beneficial is recurring commissions, guys, okay? You don't understand. So recurring commissions makes you work smarter, not harder, guys, okay? So what this means is that you're not going to start every single month from zero, okay? So if you're going to make 10 sales every single month, if you don't have a recurring commissions program, then that's all you make is 10 sales every single month. But if you have a recurring commission, instead of just making 10 sales on your first month, your second month, you're not just going to make 10 sales, because some of the 10 sales that you made on the first month will continue onto the second month, and they will keep if as long as they stay on the platform, then you keep earning. So on the second month, you start off with some of those that came in on the first month. So you're not starting at zero, and that's very important. So in your second month, you're already starting with some recurring commissions coming in, and then you're going to add another 10 sales in second month, and then third month you can have referrals from first and second month already. In your third month, that's already still paying for the membership. So on your third month, you're already starting with a bigger amount, and then you're going to add another 10 sales and so forth. So that's why recurring commissions are awesome. And so there's another type is called lifetime commissions, or affiliate programs that give you sticky cookie. Okay, so you go look for lifetime commissions. And what this means is that sometimes it's not a recurring thing, right? So it may not be a membership or a subscription type product or service. So, but you may be bringing in referrals to any company that allows you to have a sticky cookie, meaning if they come back to buy again, you make commissions again without additional work. So this also allows you to work smarter, not harder, but you just don't know when they will buy again. That's all. But at any time, you could be earning passively with lifetime commissions, because you just need to bring them into the company one time, and then you could keep earning from your referrals as long as they keep purchasing from that platform. Okay, so that is another way. So that's a great way to make more money with less effort. Okay, so that is another way to do that. So if you could get affiliate programs with both of these, even better. Okay, so oh my goodness, if you get an affiliate program that has all three high ticket commissions as well, then you're really in the money, man. All right, so what is high ticket commissions? High ticket commissions means that you could earn commissions $500 at a time or more. Okay, so you could even make $1,000 each sale. So it's a per sale, it's $500 or more that you make in commissions. Okay, so that's what we consider, or what you would consider, a high ticket commission. And how you could earn such high ticket commission is usually high valued products and services. Okay, and remember that you want to be promoting high quality products. So in order for the product to be high valued or highly priced, that product better be very valuable, right? Or very high quality for whatever it is. So let's say a watch, you could buy very expensive watches that are like 5-digit, right? For watches, and you can earn a good, like a 4-digit commission on a 5-digit commission for a 5-digit price watch, right? You could probably earn a 4-digit commission on that. So you want to choose affiliate programs with as many of these must-haves features as possible. So if you have like an affiliate program that has all three of these, you are going to make a good amount of money. So there's going to be other things to consider as well as you're looking for the best affiliate program to promote in 2020. So one of the items is a cookie duration, okay? And what a cookie duration is the time that it takes for your visitor or reader to click on your affiliate link and go buy the product, all right? So from the time they click to the time they buy, that is your cookie duration. And some affiliate programs, like the Amazon one, is like short, like 24 hours, okay? But majority of the affiliate programs usually are 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days, and some even go all the way out to 365 days, okay? So you want this cookie duration, of course, as long as possible, but it's always the last link clicked. So even if they clicked on your link and within that 30 days, if it was a 30-day cookie, if they clicked on somebody else's link in that 30 days, then you lose that sale, okay? But if they were to just saw your stuff and clicked on your affiliate link and they were just, you know, maybe they were busy or they got caught up or whatever, and they buy it just a few days later or something like that, even if they go directly to the website that they're going to buy at, you will get the sale because the cookie is in their browser, okay? So another thing that you want to consider is either promoting physical or digital products, because you might want to consider digital products more, or like a service or like a membership site, because you could make a lot more money, because this will kind of determine your commission rate, okay? So how much you can earn on your product. For a physical product, there's more costs. involved with a physical product. So the companies that sell those physical products will have a smaller profit margin to share with you. So you're gonna earn a little bit less, you know, maybe within 10%. Usually physical products are within 10% commission rate, but if you go with digital products, they go all the way up to 100% even. Okay, I've seen it because there are certain products that have sales funnels that have lots of back end products that the owners will earn even more. So they give the front end product 100% to affiliates. So that happens as well. So this other thing you want to consider is payment options. You always want to look at how you're going to get paid, guys. Okay, because if it's a option that you don't have access to, then you can't really go into that program. Okay, so these are all things that you need to research about before you apply to these affiliate programs, guys. Okay, so payment option, you want to have access to your commission. So it better be, you need to make sure it's an option that you have access to, that you are able to get your money, get your commissions. So finding out how you're gonna get paid is very important. All right, so if there's any one of you watching this video and don't understand some of the stuff that I'm talking about, or you have no idea still where to start your affiliate marketing journey, then you should really try going to workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama so you can learn how to build your online business with affiliate marketing properly. And you do want to learn it properly, or else you're going to get stuck, you're going to be frustrated, and then you're just going to quit. All right, guys, so this is a program that I've started in my affiliate marketing journey back in 2016, guys. Okay, and this program is long-term. So if you want to build a long-term sustainable online business, this is the way to go. Second, it is how I started in 2016 with affiliate marketing, and this particular program made me a super affiliate, guys. Okay, so their training works. And third, if you join me with this program, I give you free coaching on the platform, guys. Okay, so if you want my help, you could do it with this link right here, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. Follow this link to where it's going to go, and I'm going to show you exactly what I do to make money online, guys, and how you can do it too, and I'm going to help you along the way. So I hope you will like that. Okay, so I really hope I can help you in the near future, and I hope to see you on the platform very fast in the near future, guys. Okay, don't forget, guys, if this video has been helpful to you, and I hope it was helpful to you so you could learn how to pick your affiliate programs to earn the best money with your affiliate marketing business. So please give me a big like underneath this video if you find this video valuable, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can learn more things about affiliate marketing and how you can make your affiliate marketing business a success. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. I come out with videos every single week so you guys can learn. But I don't know when they come out, so get notified. Okay, so I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.